Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to talk to everybody about not paying their mortgage for the next couple months. So as you've heard, a lot of mortgage companies have offered that you don't pay your mortgage for the next couple months. They're calling it a deferment. So is this a good option? That's the question. So I would say definitely you want to make sure you know exactly what you're getting into and exactly what's required of you, because what's happening and a lot of people aren't understanding this. So definitely check with your mortgage company. Make sure that you get documentation of exactly what's expected. So here's what's going on. So they're saying, yes, you're correct. We can defer your mortgage. So deferring it, they're moving your payment for April, May, and June. So zero mortgage for those times, April, May, and June, zero mortgage due. But here's the catch. The catch is July. So in July, all of those payments are due in one lump sum. That's right, all of them are due in one lump sum. So yes, you can skip your mortgage for April, May, and June, but in July, you have to pay April, May, June, and July's mortgage payments all in one shot. So it doesn't really help you guys out. So if you don't have the money to pay your mortgage now, how are you going to have 4 months worth in July? Only do it as a last option, obviously. I don't want to see you people go out there and work hard and do everything and then get to the point where you can't pay your mortgage and then they're going to foreclose on you. That's exactly what's going to happen. These banks are going to go and say, well, you couldn't pay the deferment. That's what you agreed to. So we're going to foreclose on you. And I don't want to see that. As much as it helps me in my business of trying to find flips and good prices and buying houses at auction that have been foreclosed on, I don't want to see it. I don't want to see the economy go down because of it. I don't want to see people get kicked out of their houses because of it. So definitely make sure you know what you're getting into. Make sure that you plan accordingly. If you are going to defer your mortgage, that's fine. Make sure you know when it comes to July that you've got to make 4 mortgage payments all at once. Now I'm sure, and I don't know, every bank is probably different, that you could defer April and then, you know, make your payment in May and June and so on and so forth. But in July, you'll have to make a double payment or, you know, catch up or whatever. So that's possible. And that might be helpful for people, but I just don't see that it being helpful for somebody to defer their mortgage for 3 months and then have to make on the 4th month all of those payments. So definitely keep yourself informed, check with your bank, know exactly what it is, read the fine print, and make sure that you know what you're getting into, because like I said, last thing I want to see you guys is lose your house to foreclosure because these banks are not being totally honest, or you're not reading the paperwork because you're just saying, oh, I just need to not be able to pay my mortgage this month because I don't have a job right now, or whatever it might be. So maybe look into some other assistance programs. Of course, these checks are coming from the government here. There's all kinds of different loans and stuff. You're self-employed, different options like that. So I would definitely look into those options before just deferring your mortgage. So anyhow, I just wanted to give you guys that quick heads up on it. Make sure you guys understood that, or at least could inform yourself on it. So again, give us a thumbs up on this. Drop some comments below if you know anything different, or you've talked to your mortgage company and you found anything different than that. I'd love to hear what you guys are seeing out there in the market right now, what the mortgage companies are doing. And again, make sure you join that free Facebook group down below as well. Instagram is there too. If you guys want to follow kind of what's going on with my life and what's going on with real estate, that's a good place that I post kind of on a daily basis there of kind of what's going on. Again, thanks a lot for watching, guys. Have a great day.